you didn't think that was a catchy tune, then you have a problem. That was the Purple Doves right there with She. She. Don't you just see yourself like doing that little scoot thing? Ding, ding, ding. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, I have this guy, and I just had to wait and save this because, this guy is Lomax Spalding. He is R&B soul from Georgia. Oh my land. You just gonna be going, oh my God. Woo-wee! Okay, his CD is This What You Want? And this is exactly what I want. This is what I need, because like I said, I have been a bird in a bad mood. But this guy is just a mixed up version of old school Bobby Brown, Luther Vandross, and Babyface. All for me. This is my cake right here, okay? This is what I'm going to say. Again, Lomax Spalding, right there. Find him on Facebook, World Wide Web, and the Twitter machine. Tell him the Songbird sent you and that I like my cake and I eat it too. And this is perfect because I've been talking about how hot it is outside and I need it to rain. And that is his song. And it's sexy and it's sassy and it's called Let the Rain Come Down. Listen to his voice, man. It's okay to listen. It's okay. You have to appreciate. If you think you've done too much about your music, do more. They won't get sick of you, boo. They'll remember you. That is my quote for the day. I just had to share that because, this guy's got it going on.
Well, my. What I did yeah. Lomax, oh baby, let it come on down. Well, listen. Sitting here on a Monday, just a little bit lonely. Think I'll call my baby up and see what she's up to. Wow, honey, can you come over? We can sit and just snuggle, watch a little TV. Just you and me, we can make this an all-day thing. Yeah. Outside, and you by my side. Let the rain come down. Let the rain come down, baby. Oh, I can't think of nothing better, baby. Together, let the rain come down. Let the rain come down. Listen. Now we've been kicking it. Oh, it seems like forever. It feels like good wine. It gets better with time. What more can I say? Yeah, when you're working on me, and I'm laying it down, baby. Who cares how wet we both gonna get? Let the rain come down, baby. Yeah. By my side, let the rain come down. Oh, yeah. together, let the rain come down.
Well, Flock Stars, guess what?
What, chicken butt?
It's about that time. You can keep doing what you're doing, but you can't stay here because this oak tree is closed. But don't fret, my flock. The Silky Chicks and I will be here next week. But until then, make sure you keep supporting us indies now, because every time you buy our music, that helps us buy food. Can't buy food, then we can't eat. And if we can't eat, we can't create the music. And if we can't create the music, then it does not help spin the planet. And if the planet doesn't spin, cars will start pumping their own gas. The myth about mermaids will come true and they'll all start coming out of the water. The ground will turn to jello and people want to eat the ground, and then it'll just be one hot mess. So look, tune in to Spectrum Radio Pittswood on Mixlr.com on Fridays. That Top 40 countdown, you do not want to miss that. And also the FLOCKSHOW comes in on 4 p.m. Central, 10 p.m. UK. As always, Mickey, thank you so much for the airtime. And finally, don't forget to grab your magic morning juice every Friday at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time for the Dog and the Bird Hour on WAAKradio.com and 94.7 FM. Catch us on the Black Dog Morning Show with myself and Phil Kranz. For Sparrow 13 Productions and Songbird Indie Radio, I'm the Songbird, and I love you to bits.
Mwah.
It's your world. I just spin it. Y'all stay classy now, Flock Stars. Just the way you are.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what
You just heard Just the Way You Are from Thomas Carlson, exclusively from Epidemic Sound, Spreaker.com, and Songbird Indie Radio.